This package was originally designed to help new agents during their first year in the industry. It's something that I put together, a collection of sessions, just to help with guidance. There's not a lot out there for new insurance agents as far as mentorship and training. So, whether you're going to an agency, you've decided to go independent, or you're going to a corporate call center, this package is actually designed to help you offer coverages, engage with customers, and build lasting relationships. I have included the new Agent Playbook cheat sheets. This is a collection of information. Again, I collected over my first year in the industry. It is PDF format. So if you find a page that you like, you can print that out, fold it up, take it with you. I've also got bonus recordings included here. So quite often we will have Wednesday night insurance power hour that at one time was called Ice Cream Social. I did include that just for fun. This bundle is also unlimited. So as new courses are taught, they will be updated. And if you have signed up for the course, you will get automatic emails to let you know about those updates for you. So in the meantime, I hope this package helps as you're building your insurance career. And as always, any questions, support at theinsurancesalesqueen.com.
Thank you all for watching this here video. Please like and subscribe.